Hey everyone. Here are 7 ways to make your inventory management more efficient. 1. Know what you have. Knowing what is in your inventory will help you eliminate ghost and zombie assets, which will save your company money and make it run more efficiently. 2. Tag your IT hardware. Use either a standard barcode tag or a QR code tag to help make the tracking of your inventory easier. 3. Add plenty of data. Having as much device-specific data available to you and your team will help streamline your system and make forecasting easier. 4. Assign assets to users. Make sure you are able to track who has what assets assigned to them. This will help ensure that devices go missing less frequently and will decrease the amount of downtime your employees have from not having what they need. 5. Track all maintenance. At some point, every device will need maintenance. Track all types of maintenance so that you can determine if devices need repaired or replaced. 6. Use history to indicate hardware performance. See the complete historical data for each device. 7. Use the right inventory system for you. Check to see if all features on the system you are looking at benefit your company and that it is easy to use. For more tips on managing your IT assets, check out the links below.